Hello, good day. My name is Jessica Jano, and I'm excited to share a little about myself. I graduated with a Bachelor of Elementary Education, and I always love working with children. And also, I am passionate about creating safe, fun, and educational experiences for kids. My journey in teaching and childcare has shaped me into someone who values patience, creativity, and responsibility. I have a strong communication skills that help me connect with children and parents alike. I am creative and resourceful, able to turn simple materials into engaging activities. My patience allow me to handle different personalities while ensuring every child feels included. And also, I am energetic person, enjoy keeping activities lively and fun. And another one, I am organized, dependable, and able to manage multiple tasks while keeping children safe. And also, I have hands-on experience as a kids assistant where I supervise children and lead games and activities. And my background as a teacher has trained me to balance discipline with fun in learning environment. I work with the children of different ages and personalities, which helping them not only learn but also build their confidence and teamwork. I enjoy creating activities that makes both fun, learning, such as storytelling, group activities, and create project. I also completed a vocational course in basic computer science, which helped me to integrate technology into activities. I have attended various educational related training that strengthened my teaching and classroom management skills. I believe I can continuous learning, so I always seek opportunities to update my knowledge in childcare and teaching. I will describe myself as a responsible, approachable, and dedicated. I am a good team player and can easily adjust to different situations. I always prioritize safety while making sure the children are enjoying themselves. And I have a cheerful personality that helps me connect with kids right away. I bring both discipline and fun into every activities I lead. And last one, I am eager to bring my energy, creativity, and also care to your youth staff team. I look forward to contributing my skills and passion for working with children. Thank you for your time. I am excited about the possibility of me joining your program. I would be honored to continue my experiences, enthusiasm as a part of your team.